Hello, bro.
Winnie and Paul sit on a bench in a park. Winnie is reading something on a tablet or phone. The dog, Bobby, is in a weird position on the ground in front of them. Bobby suddenly gets alert and they start looking around.
Hey bro, where is Bobby? Where is Bobby?
Unicorn sneaks up behind the bush. Paul suddenly sneezes. Paul sneezes violently and falls down at Winnie's feet. This scares Unicorn and she runs off.
Bro, don't worry. We'll find Bobby.
Hey, Bobby! Hey, Bobby! There's Bobby! Hey, where you went?
The unicorn stole the Winnie's phone.
Hey, Unicorn!
The unicorn hid near the bush. Bobby chases Unicorn across the stage and they both step on Paul. Paul has a sneezing fit and rolls around the ground.
What? Hey, Bobby, very good. Go and sit there.